What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to episode 8 of Creative Arts. I'm Haven Nelson, your host, and today I went down to Messenger Coffee's new location down on the plaza, and I picked up a vanilla latte. Obviously, I liked it because it's already almost gone. You should definitely go check out the new locations. They're super cool and not quite as far for some of us that are in like South KC. Today, I want to talk about the difference that having the right camera gear can make. A lot of people will buy like a GoPro or a cheap little point and shoot camera, and then they're disappointed with the results. That's because those cameras aren't meant to do the type of stuff that you want to do, which is like vlogging or like tutorials, stuff like that. Those types of cameras aren't necessarily geared for that type of video work. So obviously you could take the route of buying a more expensive DSLR camera like a Sony a7S III or a Lumix GH5 or a Canon EOS R. Those cameras will perform well, but they also cost a few grand. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, a great option is the Canon G7X Mark II. It's a camera that has some great specs and some great capabilities, but is still in the under $1,000 range. And it's just a much more affordable option. Purchasing your own lighting so that you can have your own setup at home will help a lot. Anytime you can control the lighting in a scene more, it will just give you a more professional look. Understanding what you're buying is going to help you a lot. So taking the time to do the research and understand different camera specifications and understand different like lens settings and just overall like how cameras operate a little bit is really going to help you. Do some research to find the camera that will best suit the needs that you need to be met. If you're trying to vlog, just look up best vlogging cameras and do some research and figure out what one you think would suit you best. If you want to do tutorials or product review videos or anything like that, a DSLR would work. You just have to find one that's within your price range and, you know, just do the research and take the time. Having the right camera equipment can really up your game and give you a whole new level of professionalism that, you know, you couldn't achieve with another camera. Obviously, you can create good content with anything out there, but let's be real, nicer equipment just makes the job a lot easier. So I challenge you to go out and do the research, figure out what you need, and then start creating some content and tag J29 Creative in your content. Maybe I'll give you some feedback. Thanks for watching this episode. I know it was super short, but just thought I'd share a little bit of tech tips, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week.